Hello, my financial warriors. In the beginning of 2023 January, have you kept some financial goals and it is almost November? You have not yet fulfilled that goals. Are you wondering why I am not able to fulfill those goals? What happened? Hi, I'm Dr. Maria. I'm a financial coach. I help you to figure it out what went wrong in your financial journey. Okay, today let me discuss about what are the 10 important points which you missed in your financial journey when it comes to financial goal setting. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and share it to maximum number of people like you who have not fulfilled their financial dreams. And if they wanted to start their journey now and from the beginning of January, they wanted to set goal and achieve that goals, tell them to come to my channel, as well as I'm coming up with exciting workshop on 25th and 26th November. Please be ready with that. And before that, we'll let you know what are the important things which you have missed. 10 points which you have missed in your financial freedom journey. Number 1, lack of financial plan. You have kept the financial goal, I know about that. But have you done planning for that? Have you kept some money and do you know exactly to fulfill that financial goal how much money you require? If you are not yet done, please take care of that. Second one, you have maybe some of the unexpected expenses will come in between. You have kept goal and you have not prepared that unexpected expenses and you don't know what to do. Whatever the money comes in your bank account or through salary or through passive income, it is routing towards that unexpected expenses. So please make sure that you are making a list in the beginning and you are preparing for those unexpected expenses. Number 3, procrastination. This is everyone is having a row and very few people are able to come out from that procrastination. For them, we call as a wealthy people because they don't do kal karenge. Okay, kal karenge matlab kal to aa hi nahi jaye. So, are you ready to take action whenever you keep that course? If yes, then you can reach your financial goals very soon. Otherwise, again you are delaying, you are procrastinating and you will not able to achieve your financial goals soon. Number 4, unrealistic expectations. When you set a financial goal, do you expect more? Is your financial goals are realistic? We normally call as SMART goals. Is it coming under that SMART goals? Or maybe you are just keeping like throwing arrow in the air. You don't know exactly where to throw that arrow. So if that is the case, you have to make sure that your goal should be specific and realistic. We will teach you in our personal finance mastery workshop. If you have not yet planned, please make sure that you enroll for that and you will be there so that you can set your financial goals soon. And not only setting the financial goals, you have to make sure that you are achieving that financial goal within that specific time. The next point which is preventing you to achieve the financial goal, that is a lack of emergency fund. Have you prepared for the emergencies? There may be a job loss, there may be some medical emergencies which is not covered under medical insurance, or there may be some business loss, or there may be some of the other emergencies, car breakdown or like other electric shock or something will come in between. Have you prepared for it? Now for that, what do you have to do? Do you have 3 to 6 months of expenses which you have kept aside only for emergencies? If you are not yet done, again we will teach you about that. Please enroll for the upcoming workshop. Then fear of investing. Do you have fear of investing? You may be knowing that I have to do that, do this. Have you taken action for that? Or whenever you are going for investing, you think that, okay, I'll go for the same traditional plan so that maybe it will work out. Think about it, whether your investment is giving more than at least 7 to 8% rate of return so that you can beat the inflation. Think and take action towards that. Next important pain point, maybe you are having not able to come out from debt. When you taken a loan, you have realized that whether I'm able to fulfill that loan or not, whether I'm able to repay that loan or whether I'm able to whether for whatever the reason I have taken loan, is it giving me some returns or not? That means you have not prepared for the emergencies. That is the reason maybe you have taken loan. And to pay that loan, you are taking another loan. To pay that loan, another loan. That's why you are struggling in that loan trap. If that is the case, that is another point maybe which is stopping you to achieve your financial goals. Eighth important pain point, competing priorities. Maybe you have not fixed your priorities. There may be some needs which you have to address. You cannot avoid that. There may be some wants you can avoid that, but have you addressed that? Have you kept a priority for that? If you have not kept priority for that, then definitely you are missing out, and there is a maximum chances that you will not able to fulfill your financial goals. So make sure you are fixing a strategy for that. Point number 9, that is not adjusting the life changes. Our life is a roller coaster. We don't know what will happen when. That is called the emergencies, unexpected some things will come. It may be related to health, it may be related to career, it may be related to relationship or money. So at that time, you have to prepare for that. So do you have any strategy to prepare for that? If not, you have to make sure that you have one for that. Okay. And last but not the least, the 10th point which I wanted to address, not having a financial education. I know you have missed the financial education in your school and college days, but my question, instead of blaming that, can you have it now? There are people who are ready to learn even at the age of 80, 85. You are a young child. You may be having a lot of years to see a lot of things. You wanted to give good life to your family. You wanted to live a peaceful life, but for that, for everything, money required. And when money comes, you should have a financial education. Are you ready for it? If you are ready, I'm giving you an opportunity. This November 25th and 26th, 2023, I am conducting 2 days workshop. In this workshop, I'll help you to master your personal finance. You can understand what is right, what is wrong when it comes to the investment, saving, budgeting, and a lot of things which we cover. We cover about mindset, insurance planning, we cover about investment planning, income tax planning, retirement planning, succession planning, passive sources of income. Once you know about these simple things what wealthy people are following in their life, you can also become wealthy in your life, and you can become a happy, wealthy person. Okay, not just having money and not experiencing money. You have to have money, along with that you have to experience that. Are you ready for that? If you are ready, the link is given below. Please click the link and join the WhatsApp group. I am giving you fantastic offer, Black Friday offer. Wait for that and block your calendar for 25th and 26th and be there on those 2 days. That will change your life forever. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and whoever you think who is the best person who has to attend this session and they have to change their life like you, so please share it to them. Don't be conjures, but don't be stingy. So you are not losing anything by sharing your things. See you there.